Take 1 minute to honor your space, your energy, your sacred self, and your right to protect you. I'm Michelle, your guide. Close your eyes and imagine a candle glowing at your center, a calm, pearly blue flame. This is your boundaries candle. These boundaries are for you and you alone. Breathe in slowly, and as you exhale, feel a gentle shield of light forming around you. The light holds your energy safely. It doesn't push anyone away. It simply marks where you begin and end. It reminds you are allowed to say yes. You are allowed to say no. Either answer is a complete answer. The flame flickers slowly, unwavering and calm, a quiet guardian of your space, your peace, your power. It whispers, I deserve to honor me. I deserve to protect my energy. I am the keeper of my boundaries.